Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. It says we got inventory closeout. Sale starts today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews to deals. All right, we got the first of all we got the 72 by 80. Well, actually, before we get started with these coupons, I'm going to show you the icon coupon. We got a new icon coupon. It says new super coupon icon 10-piece metric professional ratcheting wrench set. So this is the 10-piece, the one with the little ratchets, so you guys could use those. And regular price is $149.99, now $134.99. So this does help. This does take you at least $15 off. Well, close to $15. It does take you. Okay, we got item number 64841, coupon code 241524980003. Feel free to take any of these coupons, a screenshot or a picture on the computer, and show them to the cashier. As long as you have this coupon, that's all that matters. And it does expire 12/28/19, so you got all this year to buy that or save up to buy those wrenches. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the regular coupon here. We got 72 by 80 moving blanket, $5.99. Spin always $5.99. Powder free natural gloves. I have these. They work great. I use them for work, cleaning, all that stuff. Not for heavy duty, not for mechanics. For mechanics, go 7mm or 9mm. $5.99 for those. A rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty low profile floor jack, $9.99. If you guys want to look at my Daytona video, I do have this jack, but in Daytona. I will see if I can leave the link up above. You got a 20-volt lithium cordless extreme torque impact wrench, $229.99. This was $219. A parking lot sale. 29-piece titanium. This is not a bad price though. 29-piece titanium drill bit set, $10.99. 26 by 22 single bank strip cabinets, $299.99. These went up a little bit, so you guys need them, get them. If not, then wait for a lower price. You got good, better. Definitely recommend this. We've seen this, I believe, on the Black Friday sale is going to be $89.99, and this is, I can't remember, but this is going to be a lot cheaper. You got a pressure washer, 1750 psi pressure washer, $79.99. It does work. Pretty good pressure washer there. 4-piece 1 by 15 feet ratcheting tie downs. I do have these. Use these all the time on my truck. Now that I have a truck, I use cargo. I have taken cargo everywhere, but these they work fine. 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator, $439.99. This is a great price. On the parking lot sale was the same price. You got a 6-inch diameter caliper, fractional and decimal readings, $9.99. You got a 588 lumen tactical flashlight, $9.99. Great lights. Anything with the quantum or brown name is a great lights. Weatherproof protective rifle case, $9.99. I do have this item. The case is a little flimsy, but the tools are okay. They've been holding up okay. I use it every now and then. Somebody breaks down on the street, one of my customers, because I'm on the road all the time. So if one of my customers breaks down or something like that, I try to help. I try to lend them tools. You know, if I have to go and they keep the tool, I don't mind. You know, it doesn't matter, because these are cheap tools anyway. So I could replace it with the, if I'm missing some pliers, I could just replace it with the better set. $29.99 for that. You got the 3-piece hex shank socket driver set, $2.99. Microfiber cleaning cloths, pack of 4, 99 cents. This used to be free, and this used to be 99 cents. So I don't know if they're going to come back to that price or being free again. You got the OBD2 code reader. I do have the ZR4, the lower model of this. I will be coming out with the video. I'm working on that now. You got the 14-inch electric chainsaw, $39.99. If you guys don't want to spend a lot of money, $39.99 will get you a tree cut. $8 or 8-inch cable ties, always nice to have. SA metric, I would stay away from these. These do come apart. I did buy another set because I thought I got a bad set. No, they do come apart, so stay away from those. There's plenty of better things out there. 4-piece funnel set, 79 cents. These are not bad. 2-inch poly paintbrush, 69 cents. Super glue, pack of 3. It's great. I used it before. These picks are nice. This hook set is nice. It is the smaller version. It's not the thicker one. It is for more gaskets and stuff like that. 99 cents for that. Get a V-shaped hangout, 149. It used to be 99 cents. It's a great gun here for the DIY. Only for the DIY. 69.99. 12,000 truck SUV winch, 299. So this is for the bigger trucks. 12,000 pound there. 4,000 watts max starting gas powered generator, 299. I did get this at the parking lot sale on the smoke. I got a smoking deal on it. I will be coming out with the video review. Let you guys know what's going on. 43 max. It's basically the same thing, but the upgraded version. $329.99. So if you guys want to spend the $30 more. So great jacks there. There's a coupon out there. If you guys want to watch my videos, I believe it's like 10 videos before this one. So go to my channel, look for coupon video. I do have a coupon of $169.99. If you guys need it, leave me a comment down below. If you guys need any of these coupons, leave me a comment down below. Or you can take a screenshot, like I said, take a screenshot. But yeah, for this coupon, definitely leave me a comment down below because I can get you that video and let you know what time is that video, that coupon there. These are great gloves. Definitely recommend it. On the cheaper side, yes, they are $4.99. They're really cheap. They will last you a little bit. Don't expect them to last forever, but they will last you for a little bit. Or not for a long time, but you know, in between. Middle quality there. Alkaline Plus batteries. Double A, triple A. Definitely recommend these for you guys. This is the better battery from Harbor Freight. Don't buy the yellow ones. Don't buy the orange ones. They suck. The yellow ones leak. I don't know about the orange ones because I never bought them, but I heard bad things. These are the best ones they got. 11 by 4, 11 by 18 reflective heavy duty tarp, $18.99. Definitely these are great. We're recommending $59.99. Great price. Always been $20. Always been this. This is gonna be on sale. All the TV wall mounts are gonna be on sale at the Black Friday sale. If you guys want to look at that, I do have a video up here. I'll see if I can look at up above. It's about 3 videos behind this one, 3 or 4. So if you guys could go to my channel, it's about the 3 or 4 videos down. You got the 1050 amp 12 volt bat. I gotta try this out. I haven't tried it. This works great. The only bad thing is you have to drag an extension cord. I do have it. Does work, and I bought Bauer. I'm probably gonna end up be selling this part because I already got the Bauer. 5,000 lumens LED shop lights, $19.99. It's a great shop light. Let's see here. These are great. They did lower the price on some of these. This is not the lowest. $179 is not the lowest, but pretty good there. Pretty good there too. Let's see here, 20% off. It's a great jack. Definitely recommend it for you guys. This is only for the DIY. Warrior is only for the DIY, like really basic type DIY. If you do a lot of DIY projects, I would recommend you go up to Bauer or Hercules. This is a great light. It's too expensive at $26. Would recommend you guys to either go wait for the parking lot sale. They're going to be $18.99. These are great boxes. Definitely recommended for you guys. Great value for the price. Great lamps there. Send you item, $34.99. I do recommend these. Usually on the parking lot sales, they're $9.99. These are great. I do have it. It does take off lug nuts from the vehicle. I do have a video. You guys could search 20 volt lithium, 1/2 inch impact wrench, tool head 147 in the search section of YouTube and find my video. You guys will see it right there. 225 piece mechanic tool set. Not really a fan of this, but this does work. This is a free item. There's coupons out there. As a matter of fact, I'll see if I can post a coupon of this for free if you guys want it. 20% off. Bauer rotary hammer demolition. I do have the bigger one, the one step up. Does work. I do have a video of it. Just search on my channel. Haven't used any of these. Got a 12-piece, half an inch. This is a great price. They did lower the price. It was $19.99 before. Now it's $18.99. These are great jacks. I do have the middle one. Definitely recommend that for you guys. I'll see if I can link the video up above. Definitely good air compressors here. This is your basic. This is a little better, but your basic air compressors. I do have this. Works. It starts a V8. I do have the video on my channel. Check it out. Just put lithium jump starter tool head 147 Viking. 2000 watt continuous, 4000 watt peak. They do work. I have the bigger one. It's a new item from Harbor Freight. It's the HD 1080p dash camera. It is an old. It looks. Tell you guys the truth. It does look like an outdated model, but hey, you know, Harbor Freight's starting somewhere, so they're gonna eventually have good technology. You know, latest new deal there. So this is the newer item for them from them, $69.99. If it works, you know, hey, why not? Half an inch drive, professional breaker bar. You can't go wrong. $14.99. Great deal there. These are great. Definitely recommend any of these for you guys. If you're a mechanic, you need starting and you don't want to spend so much. I know the Snap-on's like $4,000. The Alto's like $4,000 or $5,000 too. So, and it goes up from there. This is only $1,000. It does work. It does what it's supposed to. There's just some features in it that the other one does not have. I don't know if they upgraded this or not. They upgraded the software. Definitely recommend you going through all these reviews. Make sure this is the item you're gonna want to buy. Power's a great item. Let's go by quick. I don't want to make this video too long. Like I said, feel free to pause the video and take a picture of the item and the coupon what you want to get. I want to get my hands into something like this. 12 volt extreme cordless 3/8 extreme torque ratcheting kit, $9.99 or $99.99. So this is definitely a cheaper version of the Milwaukee and the Snap-on. Definitely recommend this for you guys. This is not for torque. This is only for loosening bolts. And if you want to loose a really tight bolt, you got to put a big ratchet, extension ratchet, or you got to put a breaker bar. This is not designed for high torque. This is only for loosening and for tightening medium grade screws, not heavy. If you want something heavier, try this or the half an inch from Earthquake XT. 20 volt lithium cordless extreme torque 38 impact wrench, $119.99. Definitely a great gun there for the professional. I got the 3-ton. They work great. It's a nice extension cord. I gotta get myself something like that. So I do have a generator. This is always for free. I do have the coupon. See if I can link it up above for you guys. Link it or not link it up above. See if I can put that coupon for you guys at the end of this video. These are great value for $5.99. It's a new item here. One step folding step stool, $7.99. Definitely a good breaker bar for under $9. Great heat gun. It does work. It does heat up. This used to be free a long time ago. I don't know if they're going to have that for free again. Don't recommend this for if you're a heavier person. If you're just a small, skinny person, probably works for you. These work great. I'm not a professional. I'm just a DIY, and they work great for me. I do have this works. This works. All right, quick video for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.